What's going on, world? I'm George Kill, and just ahead of our upcoming football Royal Key season, we wanted to share with you a special unboxing of an amazing 2 pair of shoes. I'm here with my man Brad Camp of OU to help me unbox these. Brad, what's going on, man?
All right.
Yeah, so we want to talk about a special partnership between Jordan Brand, Oklahoma, something that's been in the making for a while now. What started that partnership?
Jordan did. They reached out to us and wanted to see what our interest was to rebrand and head down that road.
Internet photos have been all over the place about, your new Air Jordans. One that specifically is one that everyone loves, is the Air Jordan 11. Describe that moment when the players first saw that.
It's kind of funny because we set it out in the locker room, and first couple guys come in, they just peeled off, didn't even see what was going on. I'm like, man, you guys notice the shoes?
Right.
And everybody just came running, it got live. I mean, they were hyped.
Right. Well, without further ado, let's actually get into it. Starts with the white and gold tissue paper.
The Air Jordan 11 mid, 3 different cleat plates depending on position. Sooners branding there on the tongue. It has an OU DNA logo inside in the sole.
Another thing that's an OU theme is the wooden finish.
So that wood grain actually represents our Sooner schooners. We have the Cuyahoga wagon that comes out every time we score. Those ponies run a lot on game days here in Norman.
Right. And this side, when the pictures first surfaced, I don't think anyone knew that.
I don't think anybody did. So
Yeah.
maybe it doesn't show up as much on pictures, but yeah, the best comment we heard from our players was, I've heard it glow in the dark, I've never heard it glow in the light. So,
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. As our receivers run by opposing teams' DVs, you're just gonna see flashes.
Let's actually look at the low tops.
Got 3 different cleat plates. This is the Vapor Speed plate, and the mid is the Super Bad for the bigger guys, and there's a Alpha plate that will go for kind of the guys that are mid-weight. So same as the mid, just a low top version.
And so with the Jordan Brand partnership, there'll be other surprise retros that they'll send you just randomly, right?
There'll be other surprises throughout the season, throughout the spring, throughout the summer, just kind of as the year goes on, yes.
Yeah. Well, Brad, thank you for sharing this with us. We'll be doing that Royal Key pretty soon here.
That's right.